Welcome friends. In today's video, we are going to see fail fast iterator versus fail safe iterator. Let's see the definition for this. The fail fast iterated immediately through a concurrent modification exception if collection is modifying during iteration. What this means like if we are trying to modify existing collection, suppose we are trying to add any element in that collection, it will throw concurrent modification exception, except through the iterator own remove method. This is done to prevent unpredictable behavior and potential data corruption that could occur if collection is changed by another thread or process while it is being iterated over. Means it is throw because the main or collection would not affect. That's why it is throwing fail fast iterator. Then what is fail safe iterator? Fail safe iterator operates on a clone copy of collection instead of the original collection. This means that any modification made on to the collection during iteration do not affect the iterator, and the iterator does not reflect these changes. Means we will create in fail-safe iterator, we will create separate copy of our collection, and we will modify on that. So our main original collection won't affect with the modification. Any structural modification we are doing that won't affect our original collection. That is we call fail-safe iterator. Let's understand for some big difference for this. Here, behavior of modification. Fail fast iterator throw concurrent modification exception. Failsafe does not throw exception. Works on clone copy. It create clone copy. Real-time changes. Reflects real-time changes to the collection. Does not reflect real-time changes. May work on stale data. Then performance generally faster due to direct collection access. Means we can directly operate on the main collections, so it is faster as compared to the fail-safe iterator. Generally slow due to working on clone copy. We are creating clone copy for here, so it is as compared to slower than the fail-fast iterator. Collection, most of the collection in Java collection framework is array list, hash map. These are the fail-fast iterator, and concurrent collection we can use fail-safe is copy on array list and concurrent hash map. These are the example of the collection. We are going to see one of example for this. Let's understand this with coding example. Here I am creating one array list object, which is our fail pass collection. Let's create list al equal to new array list. And we will try to modify this collection object. So array list dot add, we will add some element. Al dot add like I am taking ABC. Al dot add right here. Then I will iterate over this iterator we will create. How to create iterator object we have seen in the previous video. If you don't watch that, go and watch on the channel. Al dot iterator. Iterator is the method which will give us iterator on the given collection. Now let's add this, modify this collection. We'll try to modify this. Iterator itr dot has next method is there on iterator. Then we will take each by one string yes equal to let's type this string of itr dot next, and we will print this. Here it will print our collections, what is A, B, C and X, Y, Z. Then we will try to add another collection. So L dot add EQR. So here it should give us concurrent. It will give us concurrent modification exception because we are modifying the collection. Let's run this program and we will see. Here we are getting the ABC and then we are trying to add, we are getting the concurrent modification exception here, which is in our class. Concurrent modification exception, L dot we are trying to modify. Internally, fail pass iterator will use some flag named with mod to check underlying collection is modified or not while iterating. So let's understand another example of the fail-safe iterator. Let's create here. We will comment out this. We'll create copy on. So here we have seen copy on array list is one, right array list. This we will use and we will try to modify this. Let's use set here, copy on array list, uh, array set. Uh, so copy on right array set equal to new copy on right array set. Let's add some element. We will add a set element copy on right array set dot add object. We will add some objects like city. We will add India. Then copy on right array list dot add USA. Then copy on right array list dot add Japan. So we have added this. Now we will create iterator object. Uh, iterator iterator equal to or copy on right array list dot iterator, and we will traverse through the our iterator. So I will use here iterator dot as next method is there to iterate over the elements. Then we will store this in one string object. String is equal to iterator dot next is method dot next. This is the type of string, so we need to typecast here, and we will print the element s out dot yes. Now we will try to add copy on array list dot add. Here I will add a country. Singapore. Let's run this code and we will see. It is a specific when our requirement is and then which collection we can use, like a feature for this is uh, no concurrent modification exception we will get. Failsafe iterator do not throw concurrent modification because they work on separate copy of the collection. So since they operate on copy, they may not reflect the most recent state of the collection. And applicable collection for this array list, array set, and current hash map is there. If we see here, we got the result from India, USA, Japan, and we are not able to add. We will see this what is happened here. Just copy on array, write array list. So it won't throw us the concurrent modification exception. If we see here, we just added this. After this, we need to print. So let's print here. Let's run and see the again. Here it we see we got the result as expected. India, USA, Japan, and Singapore. So it won't throw the concurrent modification exception. If we try to add here in a list only list object, and it is throwing concurrent modification exception. That's all from this video, guys. If you like the content of the video, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to like. Thanks for watching, guys.